Hey, awesome. What are we going to draw today?
A laptop.
A laptop. We hope you're going to follow along with us. Now, also, today is Monday, so we're going to spotlight some lucky our friends during the lesson. They're just going to pop up randomly. What's the noise going to be?
Boop-a-doo.
That's a great sound. We hope you have your markers and some paper and
Something to color with.
color with. Yeah. Should we get started?
Yeah.
All right. We're first going to draw the bottom of our laptop. So we're going to draw a line that goes across our paper in the middle. Then we're going to draw the sides, and we're going to draw them coming out or flaring towards the bottom on both sides.
Boop-a-doo.
There you go. Now, you could draw this one. Let's draw them a little bit longer on each side. Then you have room for the keyboard. Then we're going to draw a line that connects at the very bottom, and I turn my paper sideways. Sometimes that makes it easier to draw. Good. Now let's make it look thicker. So we're going to draw two lines coming down on each side. And then we can connect those two lines also. Now it looks thicker, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the top of our laptop. We're going to draw two lines coming up. Then we can draw a line that connects the top. Oh, you're doing a great job. Now let's draw the screen. We're going to draw a line that comes down on the side, and then we're going to draw a line that goes across. Then we're going to draw another line going up and a line going across. What shape is that?
A rectangle.
A rectangle, you're right. Now, right here, let's draw a circle, small circle. What's that for?
The camera.
The camera, yeah, so you could do FaceTime.
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw the keyboard. Let's draw a line that goes across, and I drew it halfway up, so right in the middle.
Boop-a-doo.
Yeah. Now let's draw another line in the middle of that. Good. And then we're going to draw two more lines. This one is going to split the top one, and then this one is going to split the bottom section. Good. One more. And yeah, you could do it there. That's okay. Good job. Perfect. Now we need to draw the keys on all of these different rows. So I'm going to start up here. Watch this. I'm going to draw lines going down like this. And as I go across, look, I'm going the other direction. See how they kind of fan? So they change directions. On this side, it matches the outside line. You can do it. Let me see you. Yeah. Where are you going to draw? Little keys. I like it. I kind of drew big keys. And then as you're getting across, you can change it so that it matches the other side. Yeah, you did it. Good. Now let's do the same thing down here. I'm going to do another row of keys. And I'm kind of making them different sizes too. There you go, all the way across. Let's do it again on the next row. Go all the way. There you go. All the way. I like that row because that one's extra bigger. They're bigger than the other ones.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now on this last row, what is the key that's right in the middle?
A space bar.
A space bar. So let's draw that one extra long. So I'm going to draw two lines that are far apart from each other for the space bar. There you go. And then on the sides, we can add a couple lines for smaller keys.
Boop-a-doo.
There you go. And then a couple on the other side. Now we got another thing to add down here on the bottom. It's usually right about here, and you use it instead of the mouse. What's it called?
A trackpad.
Trackpad, yeah. You just use it with your fingers. Now I'm going to draw a big line that goes down on each side. There you go. And then at the bottom, let's add another button right there. We did it. Now we're missing one last thing on our computer. What is it?
A funny face.
A funny face. Now you can leave the funny face off if you want to, but we're gonna. You okay?
Yeah.
It looked like your head was gonna explode. Now you can leave this part off if you want to, but I think our computers will look much better with a funny face.
Yeah.
So over here, I'm gonna add a circle, and over here, I'm gonna add another circle for the eyes. And then let's draw another circle, a smaller one in the top right for the highlight. Make the eyes look shiny. And then color in the big circle, leave the little one white.
Boop-a-doo.
Now I'm gonna just add a little smile in the middle. We did it, Austin. Great job. I love your little laptop. Now we're not completely done because we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Color it. Yeah, it's gonna look so much better colored in. Now this part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but you guys can pause it at the end to match the same coloring. Great job on coloring your laptop. I especially love yours. Now, it's okay that our two drawings look a little different, right?
Yeah.
And it's okay if their drawings look a little different than ours too.
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is
Taboom.
have fun and to
Practice.
And we also want to congratulate all of the lucky art friends that were spotlighted during this lesson. Parents, if your child was picked, be sure to private message us your email address so that we can send them something.
$20 to Amazon to buy more art supplies.
Yeah, we can't wait to send it to you. And we also want to tell all of the art friends that participated in the Waffle Challenge, you all did an awesome job and we love you very much. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye!